Hi everyone, my name is Rishi and I'm one of the support engineers with Bhumi. In today's topic, let us see how we can connect to an Microsoft Azure SQL database connector by authentication type Active Directory Service Principal. So like any other database, you just need to have your host name, username, password, client ID, client secret. So all the necessary uh, details that form the JDBC connection URL. So once you have all those details ready, you just need to make sure you have to add these dependent libraries to connect to the Azure SQL database. So the libraries needs to be placed in this userlib/database directory. Just click on this link. So this is the Microsoft official documentation to download this 12.2 jar. I've already downloaded this jar. So which is on my downloads folder. Just give me a minute. Yeah, this is the jar file. So once you open this jar, you will have zip file. You will have this ZRE8 and ZRE11 based on your Java. You just need to have your corresponding JDBC jar, MSSQL JDBC jar files into your userlib/database. So mine is Java 11. So I've placed that my MSQL JDBC JR11 jar file here. So if you wanted to connect to Azure SQL database by Azure Active Service Principal, you just need to make sure you need to have cell for ODA, ADL, DAL libraries. So MSAL is nothing but a Microsoft Authentication Library, and ADL is Azure Active Directory Principal. So based on your configuration or setup at Azure SQL Azure portal, you just need to have these libraries installed. So this MSAL4 has a lot of dependencies. So for this particular jar, which is on my MVN repository, you will have apart from this MSAL4 jar, 4j dot jar, we have all these dependent to the connection is established successfully. So you can either download it from mvnrepository.com or you need to have your third-party libraries where you can use any of these connections. Just click on this download msal.zar, which have these O2, JSON, SFL4, Jackson databand. So these are all the dependent libraries that are required for this MSAL4j.zar to connect to Microsoft Azure SQL directory. So by any of the sources, you can get these jars downloaded. So yeah, so like that. With that said, with MSAL or AADL, you jars installed, you need to connect the details principal ID and principal secret. So this principal ID and principal secret are nothing but your client ID and client secret. So once you have all these details, principal ID and principal secret, you need to add this authentication Active Directory Service Principal in your additional options. So now once you add these details, class name, username, password, host, all these details. Once you update all these details, you just click on best connection for a successful connection to Azure SQL database. Let us wait for a few seconds for the connection to be successful. Yeah, you can see the connection is successful here. Please make sure to have all these libraries and the additional options added for a connection to be successful. Thanks for listening to this video to this segment. Thank you.